welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because I'm going to be showing you some of the products that I use for my hair. If you have not seen the previous video where I was giving you some tips on how to grow your hair, please have a look at that video and you may get 1 or 2 tips that will help you grow your hair as well. I'm gonna jump right into it and let you know some of the products that I use for my hair that have helped me help my hair grow from what it was from when I had the big chop up until now. And as I said from the previous video, I only started to seriously take care of my hair about 4 years ago, and the growth has been amazing. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I tried so many products, so you should do the same. I'm not saying that the products that I use are the ones that you should use, but I'm just telling you that after trying so many products, I found that these actually do amazing for me. So for my shampoo and conditioner, I use the Keratin Smooth with Marula Oil. It's Tresemme products. I use their Keratin Smooth shampoo, and I also use the same line for the conditioner. And I find that when I shampoo my hair, it doesn't feel so stripped. It doesn't feel super stripped like what I found with some of the products that I've used before. And also after using this conditioner, my hair feels so soft and just so beautiful, and it's just I can't even explain it. They are amazing products. They really help my hair to grow and retain length. So I recommend them, but you know, I suggest that you try out your own products and see which ones will work for you. But these ones have really been doing wonders for me. So when I'm washing my hair, I don't use detanglers, okay? I just use my own fingers to detangle my hair. I mean detangling products. I don't use detangling products. I do, however, use a detangling brush, which is this brush here. And this brush is amazing. I tried so many detangling brushes as well, you know, like when there's a new product and there's a frenzy and everybody's like, ooh, try this. But I found that this one has been really faithful and really good. So when I put my conditioner, I use the brush. I'll probably do a video, a wash video, so I can show you how I do that. So I use that brush to detangle my hair, and it's really nice. I first finger detangle and then detangle it with the brush, and it feels heavenly. It just feels amazing. And then once I have finished with the hair, I go in with the coconut 100% pure coconut oil. Whilst my hair is still wet, by the way, I just rub the coconut oil into my hands, and then I just smother it all over my hair. And I also go in with this John Frieda Freeze Ease on. It's a hair serum, so basically you just need a tiny bit. I've had this for a very long time, but basically because I just use like a pea-sized, a little tiny drop, I get a little bit of that, and then I put it into my scalp and then just massage throughout my scalp. I do that on wash days. So after styling my hair, I use this Renewing Argan Oil Morocco Weightless Reviving Dry Oil. I really love this oil because like it says, it's really weightless. It's not too thick, you know, it doesn't, you know, it's not heavy. You won't even feel that there is oil in your hair. It's really light. So I like this oil, and I usually use that when I am styling my hair. Okay, so depending on the hairstyle I'm doing, sometimes I also like using this Talia Wajidi Hydrating Curl Shine. It's a daily leave-in conditioner. There. Yeah, so I like using this when I'm leaving my hair out. So maybe if I'm doing a twist out, or if I'm doing some bantu knots out, or you know, any takedown hair, I like to spray that because it makes the hair look really, really nice. And also when I'm combing my hair, I only use wide tooth combs. So these ones, you know, they are more gentle to the hair and you don't see a lot of breakage. I highly, highly, highly recommend using wide tooth combs. And also obviously this peak as well, you know, when you want to make your hair look really fuller. So definitely recommend getting that. And then for my hairline, I don't do this often, but when my hairline is suffering, like it's been now, it's actually starting to grow. I use this Jamaican black castor oil. It does, you know, it does wonders to my hair. I use it for the hairline only. And I'm not very consistent with it, to be honest, but even when if I just put it on like once or twice a week, I can actually see a difference. I see some people that are really consistent with it and what it's done for them, but for me, sometimes I forget because I don't like how thick it is. It's very, very thick and it's very, very heavy, so that's why I don't put it on all the time. But this will do wonders where you have breakages as well. It's really, really good. So that's what I use mostly for my hairline. And also I like to massage my hair sometimes just with this scalp massager. I use this for when I'm shampooing my hair as well, just to make sure I get rid of all the dirt that's on my scalp, and just for doing random massages, because just to help with the hair growth. I'll leave a link to this. I find that when I do those massages, I can almost feel my blood going and moving. I'm just kidding, but it helps. And also another product that I really, really love is this spray bottle. You know, so when you're styling your hair, like I said in my previous video, avoid manipulating your hair when it's dry. So this bottle, it's a little spray bottle, and it will give out that mist when you spray it to your hair, and it kind of rehydrates it. You can put water and oil, but for me in this bottle I just have water. So you just spritz it onto your hair, moisturizes it, and then you can then start manipulating or do whatever hairstyle you want to do, because we want to avoid handling our hair when it's dry, because when it's dry it breaks, and when it breaks there's no growth. Okay, so this is really, you know, it's one of my favorite, you know, I really, really love it. So yeah, that's that one. And also you will need to have your satin or silk hair bonnet, so that when you're sleeping your hair is not rubbing against your bedding. So for me, I have actually changed everything to silk and satin for all my bedding. Even my sheets, everything is silk or some kind of satin, because I'm just extra careful with my hair these days. Like I said, I'm so much in love with my hair. So I think these are kind of the starter products that you use. But having said that, I don't have any more additional products. This is really the basics. I like to keep it really simple. Maybe I only have 2 or 3 more products that I'm missing from here, but I don't want to go all crazy when it comes to hair products. I like to keep it simple. So if you have any questions, or if you know of a product that you've been using that have done wonders for you, please share with us, so that we can also try it out and see if it does the same for everybody in the community. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, leave a comment. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.